Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix play Windows startup sound option is grayed out in Windows 11. So how can I fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. Open it. After opening that, first of all click on a HKey local machine and expand it. After doing this, select a software and expand it. After doing this, find out a Microsoft and expand it. And after doing this, go down and find out a Windows and expand it. After that, select a current version and expand it. Scroll down and find out a policies. Now here is a policies and expand it. After that, select a system and expand it. Sorry. So select a system and delete the disable startup sound. Right click, click on delete button and click on yes. After doing this step, close the registry editor. In the search box, type mmsys.cpl. Open this control panel, go to your sound section. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.